Today we're going to Disney 100 exhibition, where you can see loads of Disney stuff made from statues, and even you can get up close. We visited the Disney 100 exhibition to celebrate 100 years of Disney. It was in the Excel Center, but to get there we had to take a bus, a train and the tube.
First time on a bus, Nyah?
No! Kai was very unhappy because he wanted juice and Mum didn't have any. I wore my Minnie Mouse ears. I got them from Disneyland in Japan when I was 3. We took the new purple Elizabeth line to get to the Excel Center. Our time slot was 3:30, so there wasn't much of a queue.
Okay, so explain to us what this is all about.
So we are at Disney 100 exhibition, and so it's basically all about Disney stuff. So you can see Disney statues, and you can actually go in them. For real.
Going to tell us where we are. Where are we? What's that? Disneyland. Is it Disneyland? It's not Disneyland, is it? It's Disney Exhibition.
You can get a green scene photo and collect it at the end, but you have to pay for it.
We hope you'll enjoy your visit today and look forward with us to the next 100 years of Disney Magic.
When you enter, the first thing you do is watch a short film about Walt Disney's life.
This was the small beginning of a family entertainment company that would create unforgettable stories. The spirit of adventure and discovery. The magic of sound and music. The world around us, real and imagined. Curiosity, imagination, and technological innovation.
There's really no secret about our approach. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors. We're always exploring and experimenting.
We journey through the history of Disney. There are a lot of old Disney movie posters. You could watch Disney movies that are made almost 100 years ago. There are interactive walls, games and experiences.
This is Mummy and Daddy's time here.
And you can learn all about the beginning of a mouse that changed the world. It's Mickey Mouse, in case you didn't know.
Oh, lift it, Kai. What year did Disneyland open? 1955.
How did they do that? There are lots of props from old Disney movies. This is the horse that Dick Van Dyke rode in Mary Poppins.
That's the horse from Mary Poppins. Oh yeah.
There's a lot of opportunities to take photos with Disney characters. There is an interactive book about Sleeping Beauty. Every time you turn the book page, it will turn it on the screen. There are a lot of models from live-action Disney movies. Some people have not let me to my one.
That's one of
You can see models from Pinocchio,
loads of clocks. He made loads of like.
Cinderella, Winnie the Pooh, and Beauty and the Beast. This is Cogsworth and Lumiere. You can take a picture of Dopey from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. You can measure your height and see how tall you are next to the Incredibles. I'm 120 centimeters. There's an interactive table that tells you facts about Disney characters. It also gives you bits of the story.
Go and take a quick photo.
Even though there were a lot of people, we didn't ever have to wait too long to try things out or take a photo. That's not Olaf.
Is it not? Yeah, I think you gotta listen to it, buddy.
He's got baby.
Now you got stereo sound.
No, not those. You can see a lot of costumes from live Disney movies, like Cruella and the Little Mermaid. There was one section where we could solve a lot of puzzles. In this chest, you have to line up the patterns to solve the puzzle. You can even see the hook that Captain Hook wore in Peter Pan and Wendy. Every time you flick the switch, it will show a Disney character underwater. Next is the Star Wars section. This is the BB-8 puppet that was used in all the latest Star Wars movies. This is a friendly porg, what was used in The Last Jedi. Here are some helmets that were used in the latest Marvel movies. This is Ant-Man's helmet. This is Captain America's helmet and shield. Shang-Chi in The Legend of the Ten Rings. This is a lightsaber used by Luke Skywalker in The Last Jedi.
Luke Skywalker's.
This is a very cool Stormtrooper outfit, which was used in The Last Jedi. The thing that makes Disney movies so good is the music. We could see some of the original music from a long time ago. You can listen to 3 Disney songs in any language, like Moana, Frozen and Encanto. We listen to We Don't Talk About Bruno in Japanese.
Listening in Japanese.
Yeah.
My turn.
Kai was just standing there listening to the Moana music. Kai is not a big fan of sharing.
Look a bit more excited to be here. Just say, we're here at Disney 100, just shout it out. No! Disney 100! How are you enjoying the Disney 100 experience?
It's really nice.
Still doing the shuffle around?
Just have to keep keeping my eye out for Kai.
You have to keep keeping your eye out for
He's
Kai.
a bit grumpy at the moment.
Why would you say he's a bit grumpy?
He just seems tired.
You gotta jump when you do it.
No, I don't need to jump. I'm not that cool.
There are also exhibitions of things used to make sound effects in some of the movies. This was used to make the sound effect of Tinkerbell in Peter Pan.
Display.
This costume was used in the Broadway musical of The Lion King. On this wall, you can listen to any song from Disney movies. It's a small world. In this corridor, the colours change to match the colours of the seasons. My favourite room was the room with the technology and robots. This is an animated head from the Pirates of the Caribbean. It's creepy. This is a robot hand what you can control. The next part of the exhibition was all about Disneyland. I love the statue of Cinderella's castle. Right near the end, you can say Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse himself. And you can get a quick photo. There's a really cool corridor of videos and mirrors. I just want to say a word of thanks to everybody that helped make this dream come true. At the end, you could draw some pictures, get a photo with the Encanto family, or buy stuff from the shop. It's just been a wonderful day. Please remember to subscribe Nyah and Kai's Adventures to get more adventuring.